control and the fruit will fall. And I can control where to plant the seed. That is no illusion, Master. That seed will grow to be a seed. You may wish for an apple or an orange, but you will get a seed. For the cannot defeat I love. Maybe it can, if you are willing to believe. But how? How? I need your help, Master. No, you just need to believe.